Hello students, now in this video let us solve some more examples on representation of relation first. So let me write example from the diagram of given relation write the relation and matrix of relation Now the diagram is given to us. It is as, suppose 1, 2, 3, 4. Now here 1 is towards 2. It is as such. So let me write the relation as well as the matrix for this relation. So solution we will write the relation from the diagram we get R equal to, what does this, look at here, the arrow is towards 2 and it is between 1 and 2. So 1 is related to 2. Then 1 is related to 3. 1 is related to 4. Then next 2 is not related to any one of them. It is not towards any other. 3 is related to 1. 3 is related to 4. Okay, fine. From 3 there are 2 arrows. Look at this one. 3 is related to 1, 3 related to 4. And 4 related to 4. 4 related to 4. These many pairs we get in the relation. Now, the matrix representation for this is, what does that? It will be, look at here, 1, 2, 3, 4. This is one more shortcut, let me tell you. 1, 2, 3, 4. It is on this set. 1, 2, 3, 4. So here 1 is not related to 1. Look at here, there is no such a pair. So here we get 0. 1 is related to 2, so we get 1. 1 is related to 3 is there, so we get 1. 1 is related to 4, so we get 1. Again 2 is not related to any of them, so we get zeros there. Now 3 is related to 1. 3 is related to 2 is not there, so 0. 3 is related to 3 is not there, so 0. 3 is related to 4 is there, so 1. Now 4 is related to 4 only. 4 is not related to 1. 4 is not related to 2. 4 is not related to 3. This is just for our understanding. So here 0, 0, 0 and 1. So here this one you can write down using pencil. So this is our matrix representation for this given diagram of a relation, and this is a relation. Okay. Now let me take the next example. Now next example is that, suppose let A equal to 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Consider a relation R defined on A as A related to B if and only if A plus B is less equal 5. Means such a pair whose addition, the addition of their those components or those elements will be less equal 5. So now this is a relation, suppose. Now the question is that draw a digraph of R. Also find matrix for R. Suppose also find matrix for R. So now let us write down first the relation. What does the relation? Let us find out that first. Now note that 1 plus 2 is less equal 5. 1 plus 1 is also less equal 5. So this implies 1, 2 belongs to what? R. So similarly, using this thing, R will become, according to this, we get R is what? Look at 1, 1. If we get 1, 1, 1 plus 1 is 2, 2 is less equal 5. 1, 2, 1, 2 is there. 1, 3 is what? 4, so it is there. Now 1, 4 is what? 5, so it is also there. It is less equal. Now 1, 5 is what? 6. The addition will be 6, so it is not there. Now 2, 1. Look at 2, 1 is there. Now 2, 2. 2, 2 is there. 2, 3. 2, 3. The addition will be 5. So it is there. 2, 4 is 6. It is not there. 2, 5 is 7. It is not there. Now 3, 1. 3, 1 is there. Fine. Now 3, 2. 3, 2 is there. Fine. 3, 3 is not there. 3, 4 is not there. 3, 5 is not there. Fine. Now 4, 1. 4, 1 is there. 4, 2 is not there. 4, 3 is not there. 4 is not there. 4, 5 is not there. Okay. Now 5, 1 will become 6. So it is not there. 5, 2 is 7. Not there. 5, 3 is 8. It is not there. 5, 4 is 9. Not there. 5, 5 is 10. It is not there. Fine. Such elements whose addition will be less equal 5 only. Now this is the relation R. So now we have to write a matrix for this relation R from this. So matrix for R will be, what does it? Already I taught you that we will write it as 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 suppose. Here also 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. Fine. Now it is a relation on A. So these are the pairs from A cross A. So matrix for this, look at here. What does this? 1, 1 is there. 1, 1. So here we get 1. 1, 2 is there. Fine. 1, 3 is there. 1, 4 is there. 1, 5 is not there. Okay. Now next one, 2, 1 is there. 2, 2 is there. Here 2, 1 is there. 2, 2 is there. 2, 3 is there. Okay. 2, 4 is not there. 2, 5 is also not there, so 0. Now 3, 1 is there. Look at it. 3, 2 is there. Fine. 3, 3 is not there. 3, 4 is also not. 3, 5 is also not. 4, 1 is there, so 1. Here 0, 0, 0, 0. And 5, for 5 not a single element is there, so 0. Fine. This is our matrix representation for this relation R. Now let me draw a diagram for this. For diagram we need what? First of all we should denote the diagram of R. Diagram of R will be. Now for that, first of all we should note the all elements 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5 suppose, as such. Now 1 is related to 1, so there is a loop on 1. Fine. 1 is related to 2, so there is a line between them. 1 is related to 3, so there is a line between them. Now 1 is related to 4, so it will be as such. 1 is related to 5 is not there. Fine. Now 2 is related to 1, so 2 is related to 1. 2 is related to 2, so there is a loop on it. 2 is related to 3, so there is a line between them. Fine. Now here let me write this arrow here. Fine. Now 3 is related to 1, so 3 is related to 1. Now 3 is related to 2. 3 also related to whom? 2. 3 is related to 2 also. Fine. Now 4 is related to whom? 1. 4 is related to 1 again. So 4 is related to 1, so suppose it is as such. So this is our digraph here. 5 is a singleton, it will be a side here. Fine. Now let us take the next example. Find the matrix and digraph of the relation. Let me take one more example. Find matrix and digraph of the relation. What is the relation? Relation is given as it consists such a order pair such that x is related to y if and only if x plus y is even. X plus y is even. Defined on set A having the elements 1, 2, 3 and 4. So let us find the relation first. So the relation will be here R is such a order pair such that x related to y if and only if x plus y is what? Even. X plus y is even. So what does it give? It will be, now look at 1 and 1. 1 plus 1 will become even. So it will be there. 1, 2 is not there. 1, 3 is there? Yes. 1 plus 3 will become 4. So that is even. 1, 4. 1, 4 is not there. Fine. Because 1 plus 4 will become 5. So it is not even. Now 2, 2. 2, 2 is there. 2, 3 is not there. Fine. Now 2, 4 is there? Yes. 2, 4 is there. It is even. Now what about 3, 3? 3, 3. 3, 3 is before. Look at for 3, 1. 3, 1 is there. 3, 2 is not there. 3, 3 is there. Fine. Now 3, 4 is not there. Fine. Now 4, 1 is not there. What about 4, 2? Yes, it is there. 4, 3 is not there. And 4, 4 is there. These many pairs are in R. Now let us write first the matrix for R. So matrix for R. So how to write it? You know it. Let me write 1, 2, 3, 4. Here also 1, 2, 3, 4 suppose. Now look at there. 1, 1 is there. 1, 1 is there. So 1. At 1, 1 position we get. 1, 2 is not there. So 0. 1, 3. 1, 4 is not. 2, 2 is there. 2, 4 is there. Fine. Otherwise 0. Now 3, 1 is there. 3, 3 is there. So otherwise 0. Now 4, 2 and 4, 4 is there. Otherwise 0. As such we get the matrix representation. Now let us write the digraph of R. The digraph of R will be, look at here, we will write 1, 2, 3 and 4 suppose. Now 1 is related to 1, so there is a loop on it. 1 is related to 3. So there is a, now let me write it as such. 1 is related to 3. Now 2 is related to 2. So there is a loop on it. 2 is related to 4. Fine. 2 is related to 4. Now 3 is related to 1. That's why I had did it as such. 3 is related to 1. Fine. Now 3 is related to 3 also. So there is a loop on it. 4 is related to 2. So there must be as such. 4 is related to 4. So there is a loop on it. Fine. So as such we get the digraph here. Now let me take the next example, one more example for composition. Let me take the example for composition. So example, suppose two relations are given to us, their matrices are also given to us. So suppose example says two relations R and S are given by their relation matrices. Suppose the relation are given by their matrix representation. Relation matrices. Suppose matrix for R and matrix for S. Where the matrix for R is, now let it be, it will be suppose 1 1 0 1 1 0 0 0 1. Fine. And matrix for S is, what is that? 1 1 0 1 1 1 0 1 1, suppose. Fine. Now the question is that suppose find the relations R square must be what? R composite and R composite S. These relations suppose we have to find. So now let us go for these one. So we know this matrix, this composition can be determined using matrix product of matrices. We have been seeing that thing. So solution, suppose I have to find matrix for R square. So that is matrix for R composite R. So it will be matrix for R into matrix for R. So that will be this matrix we have to take, and we have to take its product twice. So 1 1 0 0 0 1 into again 1 1 0 1 1 0 and 0 0 1. So the product will be what we get. Look at here, first row first column, here 1, here also 1 plus 0. So 1 plus 1 will be 1. Now here we know that we have written a note, 0 into 1 will be 0, 1 into 1 will be 1, 0 plus 1 will be 1, 1 plus 1 will be 1, and 0 plus 0 is what? 0. These notations we have to use here. So for that, look at here, 1 into 1, so 1, plus 1 into 1, so 1, plus this is 0. So 1 plus 1, so that will become 1. Now similarly, first row second column, it is usual product of matrices. First row second column also gives 1. First row third column will give 0. Fine. Now second row first column will give us 1. Second row second column also gives 1. Second row third column will give 0. Now look at here, that third row first column 0, third row second column 0, third row third column, so it is 1. This is our matrix representation for R square. Now let us write matrix representation for R composite S. It will be matrix for R multiplied by matrix for S. So it will be matrix for R is 1 1 0 1 1 0 0 0 1, and again matrix for S is what? 1 1 0 1 1 1 0 1 1. Fine. So the product will be first row first column, so it is 1. First row second column, it is again 1. First row third column, so it is 1. Fine. Now second row first column 1. Second row second column, it is again 1. Second row third column, it is also 1. Now third row first column, it is 0. Third row second column, it is 1. Third row third column, it is also 1. So as such we get the matrices for R square, means a composition R composite R, and also for R composite S. Now let us go for the next topic, that is the transitive closure. Now sometimes the relation is given on a set and the transitive closure is the smallest relation on A, such a relation which is what? A transitive relation. So sometimes we are unable to find that smallest relation which is transitive. So that relation can be obtained using Warshall's algorithm. The mathematician Warshall has given an algorithm for that, and the transitive closure is denoted by R star. So let me write the definition for transitive closure first. Transitive closure and Warshall's algorithm. So transitive closure, let us write the definition for it first. Transitive closure. Let R be the relation or be a relation on set A. R be a relation on set A. The transitive closure of R is the smallest relation on A, which contains relation R, and which is transitive. The transitive closure of R is denoted by R star. We can obtain the transitive closure of relation, any relation R using Warshall's algorithm. Now let me write the steps for that algorithm, or this is just for the examination purpose. let me write the steps for that. Warshall's algorithm. We will write down that one. Let R be a relation on set A having the elements, suppose A1, A2 and so on up to An. So it will be, if R is a relation on set A having n elements, so matrix for R will be of order n by n. So step 1 says set W0. We are giving name to that matrix. That matrix is nothing but matrix for relation R. The matrix of relation R. This is a matrix for relation R. Can write equal to here also. This M of R is what? The matrix of relation R. We are giving name to that as W0. Now step 2. Suppose K is equal to 1. Step 3 says transfer to WK. Transfer to WK all ones in WK minus 1. W0 to W0. If K is equal to 1, we will transfer W0 to W1. If K is equal to 2, we will transfer W1 to W2 as such. Now how does that one? Let us, it will be more clear by example. Let us take example further. Now here, list the locations P1, P2 and so on in column K of WK minus 1, where the entries are 1, where the entry is 1, and locations Q1, Q2 and so on in row K of WK minus 1, where the entry is 1. Now step 5, we have to find out those things where 1 are there in the kth column of WK minus 1 and kth row of WK minus 1. Now step 5 says put ones in all positions. Put ones in all positions. These, which positions? Pi, Qj of WK. From WK minus 1 we will check whether the entry 1 is there in the kth column at which location. We are making the pairs of them and we are putting 1 in WK of it. Now step 6. Step 6 is that K is equal to K plus 1. We are improving them. From W0 we obtain W1. From W2 we are obtain W2. We are repeating these things again and again. So step 7. Let me write it here. Step 7 says repeat steps 3, 4 and 5. 3, 4 and 5 until K is equal to what? N. We are repeating those steps till K is equal to N. Now let us see the example on this. Example, using Warshall's algorithm, obtain transitive closure of relation R. What does the relation? It consists the pairs 1 2, 2 2, 2 4, 3 2, 3 4, 4 1. On the set A equal to 1 2 3 and 4. On set A equal to 1 2 3 4. Now you know, first of all we are writing matrix for relation R and we are giving name to that as W0. So what does this matrix here? Here 1 2 3 4 let me write for our simplification. 1 2 3 and 4 suppose. Now 1 2 is there, so here 1. Now 1 is not related to any other, so zeros. Now 2 is related to 2, 2 is related to 4, so otherwise 0. 3 is related to 2 and 3 is related to 4. 4 is related to 1, otherwise 0. This is our matrix for relation R or W0. Now what is the next thing? Here we have to consider our k is what now? K is equal to 1. So consider, I will give this one in simple form. Consider first column and in that one check where is 1 in first column. So positions, consider first column and then positions of 1, entry 1 in first column. Position of entry 1 in first column. Position of entry 1 in first column. What does that position? That position is which one? Look at here, 4th. Position is what? 4th in first column. Now let us consider first row. First row of what? First row of W0. Okay, and again find out positions of 1 in first row. Positions of 1 in first row. So which position? It is second position. Therefore we add 1 in position. Look at here, in algorithm we had written Pi Qj. So here 4 comma 2 of W0. We add 1 in position of 4 comma 2 in W0 and that one gives us W1. Therefore we get, that gives us what? W1. Therefore W1 equal to, I will write all the entries as it is. Simply I will write 1 at this position, 4 comma 2 at this position, 4 2. So other entries are as it is. 0 1 0 1 0 1 0 1 1. Here I must write 1 0 0. Look at these are different now. Now we are working on this. Again consider, now k is equal to 2. Now our k is what? 2. Here for this state k is equal to 1. Now k is equal to 2. So k2, so consider second column. So consider second column. Second column of W1. We are considering second column of whom? W1. And check positions of 1 in second column. Position of 1 in second column. So what are the position of 1? it is at all position 1, 2, 3 as well as 4. Now second row, look at for second row of whom? W1. So that gives position of 1, positions of 1 in second row, in second row. At which position? At 2 and at 4 position, 2, 4. Therefore we add 1 in position. Which position? All pairs we have to consider. Which position? 1, 2, 1, 2, then 2, 2, then 1, 2, 1, 4, then 2, 2, 2, 4, 3, 2, 3, 4, 4, 2, 4, 4 as such. So we will write positions. Which are these? 1, 2, 1, 4. We are considering each pi with qj. Also 2, 2, 2, 4. Then 3, 2, 3, 4. Next 4, 2 and 4, 4. As such we will write once at this position, and that gives us what? W2. That gives us W2. So let me write W2 here. So W2 equal to, therefore W2 equal to, look at here, these entries slightly changes. Look at 1, 1 is not, 1, 1 is already 0. Now 1, 2 is here already 1, so it will be as it is. Now this 1, 3 is not there, 1, 4 is there, so we will write 1 here. Fine. Now 2, 1 is not here. Fine. 2, 2 is there, it is already 1 there. Now 2, 3 is not there, and 2, 4 it is already 1 there, so this row is as it is. Now 3, 1 it is 0 itself. 3, 2 already 1 is there. 3, 3 is 0 itself. 3, 4 is already 1 there, so this row is as it is. Now 4, 2, 4, 1 is 1. 4, 2 is also 1. Now 4, 3 is not there, but 4, 4 is there. Look at here. So it will become 1. This is our W2. Now consider k is equal to what? 3. Take k is equal to 3. K is equal to 3. So consider which column? Third column. Third column of W2. And check positions of 1 in third column. Position of 1 in third column. So which position in third column? It is what? No any position. Fine. No 1. No 1 is there. Fine. Now third row of W2. So what does that give? Positions of 1 in third row. So at which position in third row? So that will be at 2 and 4. But here it is no 1. So we cannot take the pairs Pi and Qj. Therefore, hence there will be no addition. There will be no addition of any one. There will be no addition of any one. Therefore, W3 is equal to W2 as it is, and it is 0, 1, 0, 1, 0, 1, 0, 1, 0, 1, 0, 1, 1, 1, 0, 1. It is as it is. Now take k is equal to 4. So consider fourth column fourth column of W3. So check positions of 1 in fourth column. 1 in fourth column. So at all position there is 1. 1, 2, 3 and 4. Now fourth row of W3. So positions of 1 in fourth row. So at which position? At 1, 2 and 4. At 1, 2 and 4. Therefore we add 1 in positions. At which position? Look at here. 1, 1. Then 1, 2. 1, 4. Then 2, 1. 2, 2. 2, 4. Take each one with all these 3. Then next 3, 1. 3, 2. Then 3, 4. Further 4, 1. 4, 2 and 4, 4. Such a 4 3s are 12 pairs we get here, and that gives us what? W4. Therefore W4 equal to, how does it will become? Now here at 1, 1 it is 0, but here we have to add 1, so it is 1. At 1, 2 is already there. Now at 1, 3, 0. At 1, 4, 1 is there. Fine. These pairs we have been covered. Now 2, 1. So we get 1. 2, 2 is already 1. 2, 3 is not there. 0. 2, 4 is there. So it is already 1. Now 3, 1. It is 0. So that will become 1. Fine. 3, 2. It is already 1. 3, 3. 0. And 3, 4 is already 1. So we can cover these one. Now 4, 1 is already 1. 4, 2 is also 1. 4, 4 is also 1. So these are as it is. So now we come to k is equal to n. N is what here? 4. So therefore the transitive closure we have to reach up to this. Now 4 elements, 4 by 4 matrix. So we are considering k is equal to 4. Till that we have to find. So I must write the answer that therefore the transitive closure of R is, what does that? We are denoting it by R star, and that will be the relation having the pairs at which we get ones here. Fine. So it will be 1, 1, 1, 2, 1, 4 is nothing but these pairs. 2, 1, 2, 2, 2, 4, 3, 1, then 3, 2, 3, 4, 4, 1, 4, 2 and 4, 4. These many pairs we get in transitive closure. Okay. Now in next video we will solve one more example on this. Okay. Thank you.